As a cardiologist, I get asked all the time, how can I improve my heart health? There's a caveat to that though. A lot of patients of mine, they live very busy lives. So how can you improve your heart health in the construct of your life already? Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Lay, and I'm a cardiologist. And today we're going to talk about ways to improve heart health according to a cardiologist. In one sentence, I'm going to tell you the top ways a person can improve their heart health. Don't smoke, drink less alcohol, exercise at least 150 minutes a week, and eat a balanced diet. Smoking is bad, and I think we all know that, but smoking is nasty. When you smoke, it causes a whole cascade of bad things to happen inside the body. You have arteries in the neck called the carotid arteries. You have arteries in the brain. You have them in the legs. When you smoke, it causes endothelial dysfunction. It causes atherosclerosis, atherosclerotic plaques start to form inside those arteries. Materials in the blood start sticking to the artery lining on the inside, and then more and more blockages continue to grow throughout your lifetime. And blockages cause heart attacks, and blockages in the brain cause strokes. Smoking is not only a lung problem, but it's a lung and heart and everything problem. As a society, we like to drink, but there are certain guidelines to how much you should drink or can drink. The rule of thumb for males, that's 2 drinks per day, and for females, that's 1 drink per day. When you have an alcoholic drink, it's not just the alcohol that you're taking in. In beer, there's all that extra sodium, all that salt that you're having, all that extra sugar too. That's extra carbohydrates, and that's empty calories. You're not getting any nutritional value from it. So if you go out and you pound like 5 beers with your friends, that's a lot of extra calories. I've had patients come in with a high blood pressure and swollen legs, and they'll say, why is that happening? And after talking for a few minutes, we're able to conclude it's from excessive alcohol use. Alcohol can cause cardiomyopathies, or ways that your heart becomes weaker. And alcohol can increase your risk of having atrial fibrillation, which is an abnormal rhythm of the heart. Any way that you can consume less alcohol, I think you're just gonna do better long term. Being heart healthy means you have to control your risk of having a heart attack or stroke or heart disease in general. Controlling your cholesterol and the sugar level in your body is very, very important. If you have healthier foods in your diet, less refined sugars, less cholesterol, less saturated fats and trans fats, that reduces your risk of getting high cholesterol or diabetes, which then in turn reduces your risk of having a heart attack or stroke. So we all know exercise is important. Why is it important? If you get up and you start moving around, even that is exercise for some people. Your heart starts pumping. That increases the circulation in your body, and it just makes your heart stronger. If you live a sedentary lifestyle and you never make your heart work, that decreases your circulation. That's not a good thing. Exercise can decrease cholesterol in your body and reduce your risk of having a heart attack and stroke. And just remember, your heart is a muscle. That muscle needs exercising. There are a few ways to improve your heart health very easily. Instead of taking the elevator, take the stairs. You can always walk a little bit faster. Maybe park a little further away from your destination and then walk the rest of that way. Consider biking to work instead of driving, doing more chores around the house. Get up and moving every hour. Change the type of snacks that you're eating. It doesn't mean you can't have snacks at all. Just watch what you're putting inside your body. As a cardiologist, I just want to preach. It's not about overhauling your entire routine and making vast, sweeping changes to your life. It's about making little changes here and there that can help improve your health. Remember, everything in moderation and every little bit counts. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Lay. If you like what you saw, click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.